Once upon a time you used to love what you were act. Then me tell you say me love you but me want it back. Yeah, the way you put it on me. Yeah, the way me breast upon you. But yeah, the way it hard for love you. Yeah, the way me say me love you. Melanin, melanin, boy. That beauty, everything. Melanin, melanin, boy. My that beauty, everything.
Welcome, beautiful people. I am Chev B. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a jumbo knotless braid look. Now, I'm starting off with my hair freshly washed. It's stretched. I use a blow dryer to stretch my hair, and then I slept with it overnight in these twists. You can just do it straight away, but I went to bed after wash day. Like, I couldn't do a wash day then braid my hair all in the same day. Kudos to everybody that could do that, but I can't. Okay, now I'm going to be parting my hair in sections to do the jumbo knotless braids, and I'm going to be doing about 16 partings. I wanted these to be easy, quick as possible, and just a simple protective style that I could wear my hair for about 2 weeks to give my hair just a break and also to take a break from wearing wigs. So here we are. So I will be showing you guys the back section. Now let me tell you guys from now, the angling of these partings, or angling of my camera rather, won't be the greatest, and the lighting as well. I didn't even realize, because as you can see, my back is turned to the camera because I wanted you guys to see the back, so the angling isn't the best. No, I'm using the Shine and Jam Magic Finger Jam to style my hair. I use this in all my braiding tutorial. And for this version, this is not going to be the elastic band method or the feed-in method. For some reason, I tried to do the feed-in and it just wasn't happening. So I'm just showing you guys this method of doing the jumbo knotless. So first you braid your own hair, but you don't braid it all the way to the end. You just braid it a little bit, and then you're going to pull the crochet the hair through the braid. Now I did 3 pieces of x-pression braiding hair. No, I did not cut the x-pression hair, so I left it at its full length. So that is about 86 inches of hair. Now, as you guys can see, it's better for me to demonstrate than to explain it. I pulled the hair through, and this is the alternative to feeding in. So you know the typical feeding in method of the knotless braids. This is the alternative option for those of you who aren't very good at feeding in, or it just isn't even, or you just can't get it to look like it's supposed to look. Now these braids won't look perfect. I'm not a professional. I'm just trying to show you guys an alternative to doing your own hair and doing this style that is like really trending right now. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys braiding down to the end, and then I'm going to repeat the method. I have a better angle here at the front. The lighting is better as well, so I'm just gonna leave you guys to see how I do it, and it's better for me to demonstrate. showing you guys one more time how to do it for the last time. So you can use 3 even pieces because you want to make sure that the braid is even from, well, not even, but proportion from top to bottom. So I use 3 equal pieces of the expression here. You can make this as big or as small as you want, but remember, because your hair is going to be plaited within the braid, especially at the top, you want to make sure that it's as much hair but not too much hair as possible. Now this last braid isn't the most perfect. I was rushing by the end of this one because I had to go somewhere, so I'm like, okay girl, you gotta speed it up. But never mind that, you can do it, take your time, do it to the best of your ability, and don't be in too much of a rush as I am. These braids didn't take me long at all. It took about 4 hours, 4 to 5 hours, and that was just because I wasn't moving the fastest, or it took me some time because I was trying the feeding in version first, but that wasn't working for me. And I'm just trimming up the hair. Some of the hair is more or rather uneven because of how I was doing it, and this is the first time I'm doing braids this long. But I'm going to show you guys how I made it even by the end of the video. So I'm going to be using hot water on this hair. So with expression hair, I don't know if it's just me, but when I use hot water, it makes the braid slimmer. It slims down the braid. So if you don't want your braids to look smaller or more skinny than how it already looks, I'd say skip this part and just try to trim it as best as you can if you want it to stay juicy and more jumbo. But I didn't mind this at all because it looks more neat with all the flyaways off of it. And then I'm just putting the hot water, make sure that I get it straight through the ends to make sure the ends are straight. So I'm going to use this towel to just squeeze out some of the excess water, and then I'm going to take some mousse just to make sure to keep the flyaways away, any extra flyaways, any extra anything, just to make the braids look fresh and somewhat professionally done. As I said, it's not gonna look perfect, but it's a very quick, effective and efficient protective style. Now I'll be taking these braid jewels, and as you guys can see, I did cut the ends, and this is what I meant when I said I wanted the ends to look even. So I just cut the ends to right underneath my butt, and I put elastic at the end of it. Some people I've seen with this style have used beads and stuff like that. I didn't have any beads on hand, and the ends of the braid that I cut were too jumbo for beads anyway, so I'm gonna put my little own twist to it. So I decided to put the jewels, the hair jewels, on the ends, and I had about 16 of them because I said 16 braids. So I just clipped them at the very end to just add my own flair to the knotless jumbo braids. And that is my final look. Let me know what you guys think down below, how you're feeling about the style. I did some soup-to-the-doop situation with the edges, and that is all that you need to do. You can spray some oil sheen on your hair just to give it that finish, fresh salon look. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at @damnthatschev. I used 3.5 packs of the expression braiding hair to do this hairstyle, and that is about it. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys.